Hello and welcome to another update video on Virtuous protocol, one of the few interesting coins. It's one that we cover in our gold membership regularly. It is also one that I refer to as one of the more interesting coins at the moment in our last two member live streams, because it is one of the few that's actually showing momentum. Not only that, the move up could be impulsive at all. However, I mean, we've been watching Virtuous for quite a long time now. It's simply that the chart has a lot to prove, right? Especially after that crash on the 10th of October, the data quality across the crypto sector got completely messed up on that day, and I mean, since that, those of you who follow on Discord, you guys know that I track this as a 1-2-1-2 setup with a potential third wave to come. Happened. Virtuous is one of the few that actually broke above that 10th of October high. Most coins still hold below that level, which here on the Virtuous chart or virtual was $1.09, and then we even broke above $1.19. So it would really be ideal if we could now hold above these previous swing highs. So what I want to say is, we saw a bounce coming. However, I don't want to say I called it because I'm tracking similar structures across the sector. Most coins are only moving sideways. Virtual is one of the few that actually, let's say, use that potential, right? A lot of the charts are prepared, but without actually the upside momentum, we remain in ranges. So what I'm looking for many, on many of these charts to prove some kind of an upside breakout is a break above this swing high from the 10th of October, where that volume, that selling volume started to kick in, right? So this is a more micro support zone now, because we could have completed the internal wave 4 pullback in a 5-wave move up that might lead to a wave 1 top. And so micro support is between $1.08 and $1.35. And one more high could send the price to $1.90, $2.10, $2.32. These would be the next upside levels to watch. Then we have 5 waves up in wave 1. From there, I'm going to watch for a wave 2 pullback. However, again, there is a lot to prove here. And I'm not entirely sure if this is going to be another 1-2 setup, or maybe, depending on how high we go, this could already be the top of the third wave, but that depends on the extension. For now, I prefer another 1-2 setup. However, please understand the data is messed up. It's kind of poor quality because on many charts you find different low points on the 10th of October. That's a problem that we currently notice on several crypto exchanges, several crypto charts. They all suffered on the 10th of October. It's not great, it's not funny actually, but it is what it is. So what can I do? So we have to be a little bit careful here. We have to take it level by level, but I like that we have a 3-wave move down into support and the reaction exactly to the $1.19 level, which is the 38.2 retracement. Now, what I said in one of the last member updates was, I actually don't want to see a break below $1.19. If it happens, I would start to doubt that bullish potential, even though this wave 4 is technically, let's say, plausible, as long as the market holds above $1.08, 1.805. Below that, I have a 3-wave top, and this would indicate a failure of an upside breakout. To really, we're holding, right? It's looking okay, but the entire sector is like in a vortex at the moment. So it's quite good how Virtual is holding. So that's why I said only, when did we have the last member stream? Like a couple of days ago. And I said it's one of the 3, let's say, more interesting coins that I'm tracking right now. But that doesn't mean it's necessarily high quality. If everything is low quality that you see out there at the moment from a chart point of view, then the standards aren't very high. So I hope that makes it clear. But still, one of the more interesting ones. Let's see. Let me know in the comments if you want to see this as a more regularly covered coin. We do cover it in the membership a lot. but more and more people are requesting it on YouTube as well. So let me know if you want to see more videos about it. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, also follow us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. I leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.